Hello guys, how are you? So this is a quick unboxing video of a package I just received today from eBay. This is a backdrop kit which has 4 non-woven fabric backdrops and then a set of backdrop stand, sorry for that. So it cost me around 44 Australian dollars. So it comes with 4 different colors of backdrop: green, black, white and gray. As you can see, the backdrop's dimension is 1.6 into 3 meter long, and then this is the packaging for the backdrop stand. So backdrop stand is 2 by 2 meter long and wide. So comes with 4 steel clamps to hold the backdrop. So this is the first stand, the next one, and then 3 vertical rods for hanging the backdrop. Let me open the plastic. And this is how it looks like. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to set it up how it looks. So it looks like this. They are really quite tall, and then they do what I need to be done. So this is how it looks like. So, and then this is the final view, guys. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. If anything you want to know, leave it in the comment section below. Bye.